Hey everyone, today we're talking about something that affects a lot of people, especially if you constantly feel bloated, your digestion is off, or you're doing everything right, but still not seeing any real results. You eat clean, you try to stay active, but your body just feels stuck. The problem might not be your routine, it might be your gut. And yes, there's something you can do about it. I kept seeing people talk about this supplement called Bioma, so I decided to dig in. I read through the info, checked what it actually does, and now I'm going to break it down for you. No hype, just the facts. So stay with me, because this could make a real difference in how you feel, and in the results you've been chasing. Here's the deal. Bioma is a daily supplement that works with your gut, not against it. It combines prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics to help balance your gut microbiome, which is a big deal if you're trying to lose weight, reduce bloating, improve digestion, or just feel better overall. The idea is simple. Let the good bacteria do the work for you. With a balanced gut, your digestion improves, your cravings go down, your metabolism works better, and your body finally starts responding. Bioma is great for people who deal with bloating or sluggish digestion, feel like nothing works no matter what they eat, want to improve gut health naturally, or need real support for weight loss without extreme diets. It's easy to take, just one capsule a day, and they offer different plans depending on your goals. The 3-month plan is the most popular to build momentum, and the 6-month option is perfect if you're serious about long-term change. Plus, shipping is free, you can cancel anytime, and there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free to try. If you've been feeling stuck, tired, or like your body just isn't cooperating, maybe the issue isn't your willpower. Maybe it's your gut. I've left the official link in the description so you can check out the details, pricing, and pick the plan that makes the most sense for you. See you in the next video.